This is an engine that my brother built in the mid-90s, but I don't really want to explain how it works. I kind of want to save it for later. But it runs on pressure, output from a hairdryer. And as you notice, there is no external valving on this one. And it runs better inverted. It's upside down. And it has a really unique sound. It thumps pretty hard. But you notice as we come around, there are no valves, external valves on it. So I've never seen anything like this. It was quite ingenious when my brother built it. And you can see there's nothing for valves. But yet it runs. And it'll spin the other way too. Watch this. We'll stop it and we'll go the other way with it. So I'm going to stop it and spin it the other way. And just let the camera sit here for a minute. You can see some kind of valving action going on there. But we'll just let this thing run. You can maybe guess how it works. Okay, all for now.